Zombie apocalypse.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So, in today's video, we are going to be learning something interesting. But in last video, we just blew up that pig. And in today's video, we are going to just collect some delicious nuts by the squirrel. You've probably seen the squirrel in the movie Ice Age called Scrat. He always wants to get the acorn. He sometimes gets the acorn. He sometimes and just falls down and gets hurt. So let's get started with that game. This is where we left off in the last video. So after you've done that, click continue. If you don't want to watch this video. Now over here, this code isn't quite right. Fix the code to help Scrat get to the acorn. So over here you can see we technically need 3 of these move forward blocks. So let's add one more and click run. Okay, you just wrote 3 lines of code, all time total lines of code. Oh my god, that's a lot of code. 1259. So you can also use this repeat block here. You don't need always need this 3 blocks, which the repeat is right there. Okay. Now use your debugging skills to get Scrat to the acorn. Now move forward, turn right, move forward, move forward. So there is no repeat, so you can't repeat this. So move forward, turn right. So we need to move forward 2 times and then turn right and only move forward once. That is all the... No, not move forward once, move forward twice. That is all the code. You just need to get to the acorn. Something is not quite right. Remove blocks to get Scrat to the acorn. Over here, this code will already be here for you. Let's see what the errors are of this code. Oh, just poops into the river. So, after 2 times we need to turn left. We can also repeat this here. No need to repeat this because we only need 1 forward. Okay. Turn left, forward. That is all the code you need. This less code. So in total, that's a lot of lines of code. Someone has their directions mixed up. Can you help? So let's help Scrat fix his directions to the nut. So let's see what the errors are of this code. Oh. He fell into the river. So first, let's see what happens. We need to move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right and move forward. That is all you need to do for this puzzle. All this code. Okay, then click continue. Now in puzzle number 6, debug this level by rearranging blocks. Let's see what each of the blocks do. Oh, so we can just repeat this twice. Repeat twice, move forward, turn right, repeat to forward, move forward, repeat 2 times, and turn left, and repeat 2 forward. So this is all the code you need to write, and you can just delete all this blue code. So this is all the code you need to write to get Scrat to the acorn. Okay. So that's how you complete puzzle number 6. Now puzzle number 7. Figure out what is wrong and get Scrat to the acorn. So 10 out of 9 blocks. Let's see the problem here. Oh! He has got his directions so mixed up. Okay, so move forward, turn right, turn left over here, turn left, move forward, turn right, move forward and turn right. Then you turn right, that's it. So, let's see where it reaches here. It turns right. Now we just need to move 2 times forward and turn right and move forward. Okay, so that's how you complete puzzle number 7. So puzzle number 8 is one of those challenge puzzles. Challenge puzzles are lessons designed to stretch your brain. Just do the best you can. So I'm going to accept the challenge. Challenge: debug this level by rearranging, adding and deleting blocks. So first we need to move forward, turn left, move forward 2 times, and turn 1 left and move forward, turn right and move forward. So that's all the code you need to finish this level. And let's scratch, just bounce on top of the acorn. Challenge complete. So now this is one of those puzzles where you have to make the choice. So I know the correct answer is answer B. Scrat will not reach the acorn because he turns the wrong way. Because look, he moves forward, then moves forward, then he turns right, then he moves forward, then he moves forward, turn left. So he's supposed to turn right and then he moves forward and he falls into the water. So option B is correct. Okay, so that is the answer. Option number B. Correct. Now we are in puzzle number 10. Use the blocks in the toolbox to build your program. Get the scratch to get the acorn. Okay, so need to move 3 times forward, turn right, and move forward. So that's all you need to complete puzzle number 10. Congratulations, you completed debugging with Scrat. Yeah. So that's it for debugging with Scrat. Stay happy and healthy. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So we learned debugging with Scrat. Before you leave the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you have any suggestions for me, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Bye.